The Surgeon General is issuing a warning to Americans. Be careful who you listen to when it comes to the coronavirus vaccine. He says misinformation is causing a major issue with vaccination efforts. Reena Roy shows us the risk that has him concerned.
Calls for more Americans to get vaccinated growing louder as the Delta variant races across the country. Angela Morris's 13-year-old daughter, Kaya, fighting the virus in the hospital.
I really want parents to know that getting your children vaccinated is obviously better than the situation we're in right now.
Some health experts say they're seeing more severe symptoms in children who test positive for the Delta variant, though data shows it's unclear if it's deadlier.
People who are unvaccinated are more likely to get severe symptoms and end up in the hospital. And what we're seeing now is that children are now more likely to be unvaccinated.
Utah has no mandatory COVID protocols in place. Officials there are now investigating COVID outbreaks at 10 different summer camps in 1 week.
It's just perhaps a glimpse of what's to come for the school year.
A troubling trend of new cases causing concern across the country, with positive tests rising nearly 87% since mid-June. In Los Angeles, cases are up 500% over the past month. Officials there say all patients hospitalized at county-run facilities are unvaccinated. Meantime, with Tennessee facing low vaccination rates, Memphis Children's Hospital will now require all staff members to get their shots. If not, they could face termination. Vaccine hesitancy still preventing many from doing so. This mother and son in North Carolina now doing their part to educate others after they both battled the virus in the hospital.
That it is not worth not taking the vaccine because of what it can do to your family.
In his first advisory to the American people, the U.S. Surgeon General issuing a warning about health misinformation, saying it's an urgent threat to public health and puts lives at risk by essentially scaring people out of getting their shots. In recent months, 67% of unvaccinated adults have heard at least one vaccine myth. Reena Roy, ABC News, New York.